Welcome back and welcome to another Geometry Do Homework with me. This is Tangent to Circles Part 2. How do we find the perimeter of each polygon? Assume that the lines which appear to be tangent are tangent. Alright, let us look at example question 9. Triangle, this side already given to us, so we can use it. Write it down. And this side we can also add it, right? It's 10.5 plus 11.2. The only thing that is missing is right here. Guess what? Did you see here is 10.5? By the rule, this segment length is also 10.5. Why? Because this is tangent, this is also tangent. By what rule? Did you remember Thursday's class? We talk about it on the whiteboard. We say if there's a circle, there's a common point. From this point, we construct a two tangent segment. This two tangent segment will be what? Congruent. I hope you can open your textbook, find these rules, and update your binder. Anyways, let's come back to here. Which means, let me get a different color. This is 11.2. This is also 11.2. And then get another color. The whole thing is 23.2. Subtract the green 11.2. And this part is 23.2. minus 11.2, right? Okay, 23.2, 11.2. Do it slowly, enjoy the whole process. And this yellow is 12. If this yellow is 12, this part is also 12. Which means the third side is 10.5 plus 12. That's how we solve this type of problem. I'm going to give you all the remaining questions here. Remember, the rule you're about to use is there's a common point and this tangent. What happened to this tangent? Try to memorize the rule and we can solve problems easily. Okay, we thank God for this beautiful, peaceful moment. Although this is short, I'm sure you become stronger in geometry. Enjoy your learning process.